BWR, we have a Rolls-Royce Ghost. We did a lot of things to this. Let's start off with the spirit of ecstasy. We painted her black. The whole grill wrapped in gloss black. We actually did the trim right here going down the middle of the hood in gloss black. The whole car has been ceramic coated. So that means if it rains or anything, it just falls right off. Factory wheels were chrome. We scuffed them up and then we painted them gloss black, and then did the brake calipers in ceramic silver. All of the window tint is ceramic film, chrome delete around all of the window trim, door handles, even the keyhole, all wrapped in gloss black. Come on, take it to the back of the rear of the vehicle. The pipes, everything is about detail. So the pipes, we even painted those gloss black, and then the trim around the lights were chrome. We wrapped that in gloss, and the same thing right here. So this is very classy. It's an older guy that owns this vehicle. He didn't want to do too much. Funny thing is, he said he didn't want to stand out. I said, well, it's a Rolls Royce. You're going to stand out regardless, but it looks like a grown man's car. BWI way.